welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on this, which is my rare MAXVAX. Now this machine has had a full strip down, clean and polish, and it looks quite nice now. The tools have all been cleaned, the floor tool's been stripped, the hose has gone through the washing machine, and the wands have had a scrub and a polish. So what we'll do, we'll move this back and we'll quickly look at the tools first. So here's the hose. It is very similar to an early 80s pneumatic hose in the way it's got a moulded cuff on the end. Very similar to my hose that I have for my NV250. However, this end is slightly different as it looks like a later 90s replacement. Now I actually do have another one of these hoses like this with this end, but you do see them quite a lot on older pneumatics. Sometimes NV250s and stuff have these as they were a replacement hose. But anyway, there's the hose. It's pretty good, it's pretty clean, and I'm quite happy how that came out. It is the original hose as well, if I haven't said already. Here's the floor tool that I got with it. Now I'm not too sure if this is original or not. I'm guessing it is, but if it isn't, oh well, it's not the end of the world. It's quite a big, wide floor tool. It's just got a standard base plate which has been polished up on it. But it's weird because it kind of dips down at the front. If you can see, it's got like a little edge on it. The neck on it also can be removed for blockages, so that actually comes out. If I can get it out, I've cut my nails, so I can't do it. Oh well. But yeah, there's a little clip around there and that secures the neck in, and that all comes out. But yeah, that's had a strip down and a clean, and that's come out pretty well. Here is the wands, the two straight ones. They're exactly the same as any 90s, early 2000s Henry wands really. But yeah, they plug straight into the floor tool. And then we have the bent end, which is the same as any bent end from probably the late 70s to around 2006, I want to say, with the little square cutout. So there's the tools. We'll just put them over there. Here's the main machine. It's pretty good. Let's just get the cable over. The cable's a mess. I've just got really nowhere to store it. But yeah, here's the machine. It's all clean. It's had a black cable fitted, which is, I believe, the original one from my 83 NV200, sorry. But it didn't have the original plug, so it's just got a white MK on there. Yeah, the machine is pretty clean, as I said. It's all been cleaned out and everything. Still retains the sticker on the back. I might try and glue that up if I get any Pritt stick. The little nuts on top have all been polished, and so is that brace in the middle of the suitcase handle. This machine resembles a similar handle to the NV2 and 3, although this bit wasn't like that. The switch is exactly the same as well as an NV2 or 3. Now another collector has one of these, another collector called Ryan, who has the YouTube channel Pneumatic 10. And his one has the same hose as mine. However, the motor that is in this, which is a pneumatic D2-104N, which is from 1990, isn't original, I don't think, to this machine. I think it's been replaced, as his one has a, I can't remember the first bit, an NUF-something pneumatic motor, which is from 79 in his. And that's the same motor what my 79 NV250 had before it blew up. But yeah, it's the same motor. Underneath, the wheels are very similar to VAX 121 ones, but they're smaller, and they much look like furniture wheels, like what you have on like an armchair or something. and the way they're attached as well is very similar. Now, talking to a fellow collector and good friend of mine, Adam, when he was at the factory actually have a casing, just a casing of one of these, nothing in it. And when he asked about it, I think they said something about it was probably the first injection moulded machine they done, probably mid to late 70s. So yeah, I'm curious about that. I have contacted Pneumatic and emailed a employee from Pneumatic about it and sent pictures, so hopefully they get back to me very soon, so I know a bit more about the machine. So let's just take the clips off. Same clips as a an MV2, I think they are, but same clips as my Premier Mini as well. So the top comes off. Now this kind of plate here would have originally been glued all around here, however I haven't re-glued it. It's got the original plate there, which I'll stitch in a picture of now. Here is the kind of filter, that's all been washed. It's glued on one side. I tried re-gluing it. It glued itself on one side and one side it hasn't glued itself on, but that's something I can fix in the future. It doesn't really affect it, how it works. But yeah, this feels really flimsy. Look, I can literally push the plastic about. It's so flimsy. So yeah, it's proper weird. It's quite cheap feeling as well. The filter, which literally just sits in here, there's no seal or nothing on this. It's got a metal cage in there, which I have sanded the majority of the rust off and tried to spray paint it, but I ran out of spray paint. So yeah, that's had a wash as well. That's been through the washing machine along with the hose. And then we've got a pneumatic traffic dust bag in here, which is a little tiny bit of dirt in there. But yeah, there's a traffic dust bag, and hopefully the glue is not coming off on this. No, it isn't. But yeah, there's a pneumatic traffic dust bag for use. So there's that. That's 90s, 80s, I'd say. And then here is the inside of the machine, which I'll just empty the crud out of. It's had a clean, but it's dusty from that bag. And also, the bag intake is straight as well, unlike a pneumatic one, which has the deflector on it. So yeah, so the bag just pushes straight back in like that, and then these bags are horribly weird to try and get sitting right as well. So I just kind of plonk them in like that and hope they fill out the bin. So that goes in there, and then the lid goes on like that. So let's just quickly plug it in, and we'll give you a quick little demo of it. That plugs in there, goes in there, runs really sweet. See, runs really well for the age of the cleaner. A lot of these I get and they have bearing issues. They sound horrific when you first start them up, but yeah, that sounds alright. And then we'll just put the ones on, like so. Now I'm going to put a little bit of dirt on the floor, so why not? I've got my DCO undistill bin here. So I went round my room quick with it tonight after putting a new belt on it. I picked up all of that. So yeah, we'll pick this up, just rub it in a bit. That's it, like that. So yeah, let's give this a go. yeah, it runs really well, has great suction. So yeah, I quite like that machine. The only thing is, I don't have no small tools for it, but I'm not too fussed. It'll probably be the same as Henry ones, but we will find out if Pneumatic emailed me back with any literature or anything telling me what this machine is and what it's about. So yeah, there we go. There is my quite rare pneumatic made MAXVAX vacuum cleaner. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.